Today we will learn how to call a flow from a manual step in Revenue Cloud in Salesforce. First of all, let's understand the hierarchy we are going to follow. We have a product, under that we have a technical product or we have a commercial product. Then we have a fulfillment step. Then is where we are going to do a live demo. We are going to call a manual task. We'll create a manual task and we'll call a screen flow. First of all, let's understand what a manual task look like. When you have a manual task, it have input variables that you need to follow in a protocol. That is step ID, we have record ID, we have record IDs, we have plain source identifier ID. And once you have that information, this can be assigned to a user or it can be a queue that can follow a pattern of round robin or least loaded information. But I know there's a lot of theory. Let's go into the demo itself. So this is one of the product that we have, which is a laptop product. We are using a fulfillment step definition as I showed you in the hierarchy before. Inside that we have our manual tasks already created, but we have to create a new one. Just click on the button new and it will take you a screen which will show you the type. As I mentioned, we are doing a manual task here. Select the option manual task. Once you have that, we are calling a flow definition. So here you need a flow. So and plus you have to assign it to a user. So let's understand, go behind the scene and let's create a flow and we'll use the same name here. So for creating a flow, you simply go to the setup. Inside that, search the word flow and you are taken to the flows. Click on that and you can create a new flow. When you click on new flow, you have to check the type of the flow that we have. The category, we are using a screen flow, and specifically we are using a screen flow option here. Inside that, when you go to the sources, create in the toolbox, you go to new source and here you select a variable. Now we have to assign all those API variable name that we have to use for manual task, which was in our case was step ID. So use the API name same as step ID, take the data type as text and select as available for input because we are sending an input to it. So similarly, we have to create all the other sources which are our record ID, record IDs, plain source identifier. So if you go back, so I have already created this in our flow. Let me open this up for you. So if you go here, so I have already created those variables. Now you can call this the name that you have used for this flow. It is what? Send customer email to customer. We can activate, we can add steps here and screen to display it. I'm not going behind the scene of a flow. That is another video to talk about, but I wanted to show you how we can call that flow from a manual task. So we have created a flow. Now let's fall back to our, actually this was the flow we already created, but let's fall back to our screen where I showed you. This is where we can have to configure our manual task, the fulfillment step definition. In there you have to give the same flow definition. Once it is there, we have taken the queue and we have a DRO manual task allocation. We click it save. This is how you do the calling of a manual task. We use the manual task to call a flow. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more content on Revenue Cloud, and your comments are very important for us because it motivates us to create more meaningful content for you. Thank you.